Hello, my name is Anna.
I'm Irene.
And I'm Emily.
And today we are doing
Mortgages.
So basically we took all of our majors and averaged out our salary, which ended up being $73,611.33.
So we're going to figure out the minimum amount that we can pay on a mortgage and the maximum amount that we can pay on a mortgage. So for the minimum amount, the rule of thumb is that it should be 28% of your monthly income. So we take 0.28 and we multiply it by 6,134.27 because we divide the 73,611. You divide this by 12 months and you get 6,134 times 0.28 and you get $1,717.59. And this is the minimum amount that you should pay on a mortgage. And to find the maximum amount, you take the 6,134, and the only difference is that you multiply it by 0.36 or 36%, and you get a maximum amount of $2,208.33.
So the house that we chose, the market value price was $289,000 and $990. For a 20% down payment for a 30-year loan and a 15-year loan is going to be $57,998.
So for the 30-year and the 15-year, it's the same for a 20% down payment.
Yeah, we just multiply it by
0.20.
Yeah. And then for the monthly payment at 5% interest for the 30-year loan is going to be $1,528 and 72 cents. And we basically just use a mortgage calculator for this. And for the 15-year loan, it is going to be $2,117.91.
And to do this, we use the mortgagecalculator.com, and we just input 5% interest, 20 down payment, and we put the total amount of the house.
Yeah. So the total principal paid, which is taking the price of the house and subtracting that from the down payment, we get $231,992.
So we took the $57,998, which is the 20% down, and we subtracted it from the total amount of the house, which is $289,990.
So to find our total interest for a 30-year loan and a 15-year loan, first we'll do the 30-year loan. Basically, we multiply 12 and 30 because that is 360 months, which is 30 years. And then we multiply that with our monthly payment of our 30-year loan, which is $1,528.72. And then we subtract that total.
So you get a total of...
You get a total of... So we get a total of $550,339.20. From there, we subtract the principal payment,
which is $231,992.
and then that equals $318,000, $347.20. So we do the same thing with the 15-year loan. Instead of 360 months, it's 180 months.
So you do 15 years times 12 months, and it's 180 months. And you take the 180 and multiply it by your monthly for the 15-year loan, which is $2,117.81. And you get a total of
You get a total of $381,000. $223.80. So then again, we subtract that with the principal payment,
which is $231,992.
and then that is equal to $149,231.80. So our grand total for that 15-year loan would be $381,223.80.
So we got the grand total by adding the principal and the interest, which was $231,992 for the interest. I mean for the principal, and then for the interest it was 318. No, it was sorry. It was $149,231.80.
And yeah, that is how you do mortgages.
Thank you for coming.